I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 petrol or diesel full comparison. Focus on what matters most: driving feel, fuel cost, and upkeep to pick your best match. I'll walk you through acceleration, fuel economy numbers, maintenance habits, and typical driving scenarios where one option shines. By the end, you'll know which engine better matches city commutes, long trips, or occasional towing, so you can choose confidently. In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 petrol or diesel full comparison. Pay attention to torque curves, turbo lag, and gear ratios when evaluating driving feel. I describe how each engine behaves in city traffic, on country roads, and at motorway speeds, with examples of overtakes and hill climbs. This helps you imagine daily driving and long trips, so you can prioritize smoothness, punch, or steady pulling power based on your needs. In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 petrol or diesel full comparison. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long test drives or road trips. It's easy to carry and fits cup holders nicely. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel, and check the description for the link and other deals before you go. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Volvo XC60 petrol or diesel full comparison. Consider running costs including fuel price per liter, average MPG, service intervals, and potential emission charges. I'll highlight typical annual spend scenarios for city versus long-distance drivers and touch on warranty and reliability expectations. This practical look helps you weigh monthly costs against performance benefits, so you can decide whether economy or everyday convenience matters more for your budget.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.